WhatsApp new update, event planning feature for all groups. WhatsApp, one of the most popular messaging apps, has launched a new event planning feature that allows you to organize events, meetings, and social gatherings within group chats. The feature was released specifically for community group chats in May, while the Meta-owned messaging platform WhatsApp has now launched a new event planning feature for all groups. According to the WhatsApp blog, with events, it's now simpler for people to plan their get-togethers directly in WhatsApp, whether setting up a virtual meeting or a birthday dinner. Anyone can generate an event, and others can respond so the whole group knows who's coming. Guests can also find the event on the group's information page, and those going will get an automatic notification when it's getting close. So how does WhatsApp's new event planning feature work? To create an event, tap the plus button in the group and select Event. Users can select an event name, an optional description, a start date, a location, and a WhatsApp call link. When the event is generated, a notification is sent to all the group members. Last month, WhatsApp successfully accomplished another goal of reaching approximately 100 million monthly active users in the United States, where, in contrast to Europe, the industry is mostly dominated by other messaging services such as SMS and iMessage.